Sunday. I am on my way down to Essex in the wagon. It's 12:30 now. It says I'm going to be there, including my break, 45. Should be at the hotel for around 7:30 because I need to fuel up en route. It's always about a 20-minute job, in it. See, the fuel is still ripping us off, 149.9, making massive profits. Absolute wind up. Just here on the left, so I would take the dog. A lot of deer in there. There's a big golf course, Gosforth Park, racetrack. It's a lovely walk around the woods, but when we were there the other day, it was absolutely bogging. So 3 of us were minging when we got back. Got around just over 6 ton on the back. This is the Vosa station here on your right. Pleased to see it's closed. Sometimes I like stand outside and they'll just wave you in, car, van, lorry, doesn't matter, depends what they're going for. Or they'll have one on the A1 just up here, and anyone they don't like, they'll get ahead of them, follow me, sign on, and then that's you. Take you into this new petrol station at Newcliffe. It's where I used to go quite a bit. It was like an old run-down petrol station, but I had a nice little shopping. The staff were great. Coffee was absolutely brilliant. Got caught out by a subscriber having the biggest fry-up ever in there once. I'll never forget that. Like, it was so funny. But they've knocked it down and they've turned it into another petrol station now. But the one on the hill is a Shell garage, and it takes Key Fuels card. Yeah, make sure I've got it there, otherwise I'm going to be massively out of pocket. And there's a little Greg's inside, and I am so ready for a bit of chow. So that one there is back open as well for the lorries. Stick some AdBlue in it now. There's no AdBlue pump on that, sorry. Or is there? Oh, there is. Idiot. Chicken and bacon toasty, game changer. So products are out of order, but they let you go across the KFC to use their facilities. Been out of order now for about 4 weeks. I'm coming here a couple of times in the car or in the van when I'm going away with Karen or something. Or something. What that means. up on the way back anyway, so I'll do a tour. Full tank of gas, full tank of AdBlue. I have a full tummy when I've had that toasty. When I was doing the Fowler Welsh agency stuff, I was coming up, well, it wasn't agency, it was when I worked for a company when I was doing 4 and 4 when I first started out, and I was coming into Aycliffe to, what was it, Little, big old DC up in there, middle of Newton Aycliffe, huge. On there, 4 hours 14. It's going to start flashing in 1 minute. Kind of debating whether to just go to a lay-by. I'm dead close to Peterborough Services, which was my target, and I know I'll get in, but I'm not that close. Like, I don't know. See, the lay-bys here are so narrow. It's not exactly a comfortable 45 minutes. Lorries bashing by and things like that, and then getting out as well, all that jazz. I've had a couple of people just pull out on us there, like, I'm not one of them kind of people, I'm not a total idiot. One was a van and one was a foreign driver in an Arctic, just come straight out of his lay-by, total prat, fuming. And then I've got this chronic horn. Listen to this. That's so bad. It's flashing now. A little disco going on inside the lorry. The service is probably about 2 miles or something like that. I haven't seen the sign for it yet, but I've got 15 minutes to get in there, get parked up. I might just go get myself a nice cup of coffee. So this thing okay, stop it from flashing, put this off. That'll go off again in a couple of minutes. Well, I had 2 bridge jobs down here. One, the actual Peterborough Services, one the bridge that literally goes over the A1 from the services. We did the work on that. And then I one a little bit further down. Don't. I can't get out. That's what you should do, what that guy's done there. Half a mile. There's a guy in the van earlier on to the HGV, just come off the slip road like that. Same kind of gap as what I've got here. I like a nice gap. He thought he just plonked himself in it, about 10 mile an hour. Carrying steel on the back, that likes to move around if you have to do an emergency brake. Honestly, man. Rah! So that's kind of how I know that I can get to the services, because I've done this bridge here that you can see just in front of you. On this side, the left hand side, and then we'll go past the Algonbury Bridge when we carry on down towards Essex in 45 minutes. The company we've done it for has gone pop. They've gone bust, which is more than annoying, especially for our company. Someone's had some fun today, haven't they? Not worried about time when you're sitting here at lights and things like that when you've been flashing, because you're not driving. It's my driving time, not my working time is the concern. When I stop, I'll check my straps and that, and then I put it on brake. Do that because of course I don't like it if you do anything when you're on a brake. You can't even wash or clean inside your van, your lorry. You literally have to either just sit there like a pleb for 45 minutes or go for a walk somewhere. Whereas I would like to give the inside a bit of a clean, just that's relaxing to me. A few nights in the hotel anyway. Oh, you haven't had that much fun. It's on the back of the Wagon. As usual, the HCVs have got quite a walk. M25 finally. It's 7:10. Had a slight detour around Cambridge area. Got 10 minutes on. Getting there. We're getting there. Got my little Irish girl on the sat nav now, the A12. So the hotel I'm staying at's just along the A12. It's
after 300 yards, keep left.
It's not that far along here.
Keep left.
I don't quite understand why it would be to do that. Welcome to Essex, people.